let's calculate this. 2.934 multiplied by 72.89 using laws of indices and logarithm table. Solution. We will write this number 2.934 multiplied by 72.89. Now the first thing is for us to express this as 10 raised to the power of a particular value. So to do this, 10 raised to the power, we'll find the logarithm of 2.934. And to do that, we first find the integer part, the whole number we have to write out first. It's that number when you express this in standard form, the integer when you express this in standard form. 2.934 in standard form is the same as 2.934 times 10 raised to the power of 0. So this 0 is the whole number we're writing down, 0 point. Now we check our fourth table. 29 under 3 difference 4. 29 under 3 we'll be having 4, 6, 6, 9. Difference 4 we have 6. Then we add it up. So we'll be having 0.4695. So that means 10 raised to the power of 0.4695 gives 2.934. Then multiply by, we'll do the same thing for 72.89. We find the log of 72.89. Express 72.89 in standard form. That's the same thing as having 7.289 times 10 raised to the power of 1. So this power is what we have as the whole number in this case. Then in the logarithm table, we check 72 under 8 difference 9. 72 under 8, you have 8621. Difference 9, we have 5. When we add this up, we have 1.8626. So that is 10 raised to the power of 1.8626 would give 72.89. Now from here, we can simplify further. So here we have 10 raised to the power of, applying law of indices, since they have the same base, that means you can just add up their powers. 0.4695 plus 1.8629. We have 10 raised to the power of 5 plus 9, we have 4. Then 1 to this side. 2 plus 1, we have 3, plus 9, we have 2. 1 to this side. 6 plus 1, 7, plus 6, 3. We have 1 to this side. 8 plus 4, 12, plus 1. We have 13. Then 1 to this side. 1 plus 1, 2, plus 0, we have 2. So that is, we have 10 raised to the power of 2.3324. Here, to find our final answer, this is the same thing as finding the antilog of 2.3324. And to do this, we only check the decimal parts in the table. So check under antilog table, 33 under 2. We'll be having 2138 plus the difference on 4, that will give us 1, plus 1, so this becomes 9. So this is the decimal. Now we figure out where the decimal place is going to be, and this integer determines where the decimal place is going to be. Since we have 2 as the whole number part, that means we'll be having 213.9 as our final answer. Thank you.